So African Center of Excellence in Bioinformatics, there are a consortium of research and training centers facilitated by NIAID, which is a branch of NIH, in collaboration with private sectors, companies, and a non-profit organization called Foundation for the NIH, FNIH. So the history is like, there are some principal investigators from NIH are working in different countries of Africa. The first one of them was Mali, and when you say we means like the computational biology branch of NIAID. We went there to give them to provide a training of the local collaborator of the NIH PI at Mali. And it was a good, successful training. But one of the feedback that came was like, okay, you trained us, what's next? So from there, the brainstorming took us like, okay, we can establish a distance learning center so that it is not a one-off event. So in 2015, the first distance learning center was established in Mali at UTSB. And in 2019, the second one was established in Uganda. And and through the program that African Center for Excellence in Bioinformatics, and my next one will give it a better end. So the objective of the program is like provide local infrastructure, consultancy, and whenever it is needed, training for graduate education. And then once they get a degree, sustain the environment for post-university training, and then so that they can go and work on the regional service centers. And the initial investment came from NIAID, but then more investment from other public and private partners were brought in, and the goal is to make all of the centers self-sustained so that they can get their grant and keep the centers running. The partners at this moment, so in ACE Mali, so NIAID, which provides the infrastructure, initial infrastructure, coordination, training, and technical support. The internet, fast internet connection in Mali was provided by Mali REN. In Uganda was provided by Renew. And then FNIH, all the donations, and because NIH cannot accept a donation, so all the donations from the private sectors, and those were channeled through FNIH. H3 provided the, H3 and ACS provided the grant for starting new grad programs. And so after establishment of the distant learning centers, both the universities started graduate programs in bioinformatics. And so H3 provided all the funding for that. And then private partners like HP, Intel, and Duvo, they provided hardware as well as softwares by donations. The students, so yeah, in Mali, there are right now roughly 15 students, majority of their master students. There are some in PhD. In Uganda, in Makerere University, their program is way bigger. There are 35 students. Again, majority are master students. The students are all coming from, even though the centers are in Mali and Uganda, the students are coming from 3 other countries. I mean, Kenya is neighbor of Uganda, and then Nigeria and Gabon. Most of them are actually want to go to like data science field, maybe research after they graduate, or other regional centers. And from the students already, we have 70 plus publications, and majority of them is on malaria as expected because of the prevalence in that region. the quick training, the amount of effort that we provide, our goals is mainly major effort is in the curriculum development, is lots of meetings with the faculties, and then consulting in the sense like with the research projects. And then also we spend a good amount of number providing the training wherever the local instructors need some additional materials or additional instructor, then we chip in as a distant instructor. A quick snapshots of the different subjects that we train. We provide instructions on structural biology, different parts of omics, bioinformatics and data science, programming, and then there is a new branch where we are, within our branch, we are developing different aspects of virtual reality and how we can use them in the biology and researches. So on that aspect too. So the ACE bioinformatics is actually growing, and then one of the reasons for success is like we are leveraging the currently available infrastructure and collaborating with the local key holder, and then in return they are writing more grant, which is making the process very sustainable. And I will stop there. I think my 5 minutes is up, and I'll answer any questions you have.